Hi, my name is Turunen Purity, and here I have done this mobile application, and here I'm gonna show it now on my phone. And also here is the application, the APK here is on my phone, and I'm going to open it now. And in this app, because it's a news application, it's always updating. It gives the update of every new upcoming news. So I'm installing now and then open it. So the language I use for this mobile application is Flutter, and the data which I used is the News API data, which I got from News API website, and I use the free plan, the basic plan, but still I managed to fetch the data, and it was enough to make this application. So for instance, on top of this application, we have these different categories. For instance, business, entertainment, general, etc. And here, down here, we can see that there are other articles, and these articles which are showing here are the new ones, like they are the latest news articles which are showing up. So I managed to do this updating of the new data and throwing old ones backwards, or like putting them bringing this newest on top of the application. So for instance, I can open one article. For instance, this one here, Japan trade data, etc. And here I can open it. So it opens very good and it's readable. I can say that the only problem I had is that I think the data was so huge, so that the images were actually loading, but it will take time. For instance, here there's no image, but it is there, but it takes time to load. So, but everything else is working very well. Everything else is showing. Even these other links here, you can open again, and you can manage to go back again to the front page. And here for instance, now I can open one of the categories. Each category can also, you can tap on the on the category, and it can take you to the specific or other categories like sports. So you can here manage to see all the sports which are available, and these are always the latest of them. So for instance, we can open this one, and it takes time as well because of the, maybe it's the network plus big data, and those images also are taking time. So for instance, here we can see there's something there, and of course this article needs some signing in or signing up for in order to read the full article, but of course I didn't need to do that. And also here it shows the subtopics of this article, and you can also read it. For instance, let's see these fixtures. It opens and it shows the fixtures of this game, and it shows everything. So the app is functioning really well. So in every these categories, it's possible to open. Business as well, we can open it. Many articles, latest news for this business stuff, and also you can go back. So I'm going to show the code next.
So this is my code for the app, and here I had to create this model for the categories. For here I had these category names, I had those different categories, and the image URL. And then here I had to do the constructor for the articles, from titles, description, URL to image, and here is the constructor. And I had to collect the news data here using the JSON and HTTP, and this is the link from News API, and here is the key which I had to sign up for the website, and this is my private key. Also here I had to fetch also category news, and here is the link for that as well. And I had to also do the model, I mean the categories for every topic. For instance, we had entertainment, for example, business, and every link of those which I got this is from unsplash.com. This is a free website also where you can get images for free. And here in the category page, this is where I styled all those categories. I styled it here, and then I had to do this homepage. I had to call to homepage here, to every file, to the homepage. This is the homepage, like what is showing at the front page of the application. So this had a lot of work to do. And then in the main date, I also needed to use routes just to show the homepage, because homepage now collected all the packages or all the fragments of the app. So shortly, this is my code, and the app is functioning quite well. So there was no problem at this stage.